Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And today's topic is about understanding length while using cat functions and taking appropriate actions. To understand this, let's look at an example in here. In here, I have a data step in which I have an input statement and I have two variables. The first one is id variable and it has a length of 3 and another variable is age. And now the most important thing what I wanted to discuss in here is I am creating a new variable in here by using an assignment statement in here, and also I'm using a cat function which concatenates string C and our id variable which we had defined in here. Now let us quickly run this and see our result. And if you look into our log looks pretty clean. And also let's look into our output data. Our output data also looks pretty much what we are expecting. But let's click on our new id variable itself. You can see the length of new variable is 200. This explains us that whenever we use the cat function, it defaults to the length of 200. So what we are doing basically here is for 4 length variable we are kind of using 200 length value. So this kind of is wastage of space. So how we can be more better? That is by simply defining the length right in the very beginning by saying length, and then we can say that new id and we can say 4, and then this fixes to the length 4 instead of default 200 whenever we use a cat function. Now let me quickly run this and let's look into our log seems all correct, and then if we look into new id variable, now it has a length of 4. Another important point to understand from here in also is whenever we define the variable for the first time and give the length, that length persists, that length is final. I have made a couple of videos on this topic and I have discussed exclusively about how Sass compilation works and how it sets the attributes. And also I have said that it is very important that where the variable attribute is first defined is important. Here the variable attribute of length is defined first. That is why we have length of 4 for this new id variable, and also we are defining this as a character also in here. And another important point to remember is Sass looks into variable attributes only once and the compiler never sees what is happening later. That's all for this topic. If you like this topic, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.